need a degree to get a UK visa? Most people think yes, but the truth might surprise you. In this video, I'll show you how experience can sometimes matter more than a degree. Let's clear the biggest myth. No degree equals no UK visa reality. Skills plus experience can open doors. There are multiple visa routes where experience matters: skilled worker visa, health and care, worker visa, some vocational and training routes. The skilled worker visa is the most popular route if you have relevant work experience. A job offer from a UK employer. Required skills. You may qualify even without a degree. UK employers are actively hiring in IT and tech healthcare. Skilled trades, business, and finance skills matter more than certificates in many roles. Your experience tells your story. Projects, work achievements, practical knowledge. This can sometimes outweigh a formal degree. Here's a simple plan. 1. Build relevant skills. 2. Gain work experience. 3. Apply for UK jobs. 4. Secure sponsorship. 5. Apply for visa. It's all about strategy. Avoid these mistakes. Applying without skills. Poor CV. No research on job market preparation is everything. This path is possible, but not easy. You need consistency, skill building, smart applications. No shortcuts. Thousands of people have built careers abroad through skills, not just degrees. You can too. Want help planning your UK journey? Comment UK or DM US. We'll guide you step by step.